Hey guys, here's a quick tutorial on how to add hi-hats into Logic Pro X. So here we've already got a little beat going, sounds like this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do with adding your hi-hats in is press on the plus here, go software instrument, and then open up Ultra Beat down here, go multi-output, create, there we go, Ultra Beat. Maybe name it hi-hat just so you know what it is. So over here we got all these blue bars here. Basically when you open it up it's probably going to show a bunch of instruments, but you want to make sure all these samples are clear, like there's nothing in them. And then what you want to do is when you're doing hi-hats you want to use sample 25 so you're able to pitch your hi-hats. Click on sample 25 so you can do that, so you can pitch your hi-hats. And then go to load sample. Click on this box, load sample, grab whatever hi-hat you're going to use, and that's basically how you add your hi-hats in. Now when you do it, what I like to do as well is just to get a quick thing happening for hi-hats, just something simple. You add every downbeat and then every upbeat, and it basically just gives you a simple 8th note pattern like this, just like that, simple 8th note pattern. It comes out really loud when you put it into Ultra Beat, so you might want to turn it down on the side here, maybe -5 dB. That's a horrible hi-hat. No, it's not. It's alright. But your hi-hats, because they're high frequency, you might want to turn down the volume a bit, otherwise it'll be piercing your ears. But yeah, so I just did that there, add every downbeat, add every upbeat, and we got a simple pattern here now, and that's a good starting point for you. Now what you can do as well with your hi-hats when you're in here, open up the piano roll, and you can use this thing called a brush tool, and what this allows you to do is actually add hi-hats in everywhere. So we can pitch it up, we can add heaps in there like this, and it's just going to sound amazing. But yeah, so you got that brush tool there. You can add in 30-second notes, you chuck them in and it just sounds nice. Another thing you can do to make your hi-hats bounce is not do that. But okay, so when the snare hits, right after the snare, take out a hi-hat just to make it bounce a bit more. So take it out maybe on this one too. I think it's around here. Yep, take out that hi-hat. So yeah, you can do that. You got your 30-second notes, you got the snare hitting, and then right after the snare you take out a hi-hat and it gives a bit of bounce to the song. Ready? And there you go, there's a few tips there, but basically this tutorial was more how to show you how to get your hi-hats on the program, how to get it happening so you can put notes in there. The notes and the creative stuff you can come up with by yourself, but that's basically how you do your hi-hats, guys. This is Chuggy Beats with a Bass. Subscribe, comment, let me know if you want a specific type of video. If you want to hear my beats page to hear what kind of music I make, not because you're interested in my music, but because you want to see what I do and you want to know how to do them, and you let me know if you like a song and how did you do that, and if you have a question like how did you do that on that song, man, I will let you know and I'll tell you. But yeah, anyways guys, quick as tutorial, enjoy guys.